Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The Chicken Game here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the default walk speed and jump power for your game in Roblox. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. Alright, so to change the default walk speed and jump power for your game, you just need to click on Start Player and then scroll down in the properties. I'm just going to make it bigger, to where it says character walk speed, like this. And this is just going to be the walk speed that your character gets when they walk into the game. So if you want your characters to be sprinting all the time, then you're probably going to want this to be 32, double the normal walk speed. So you change the walk speed here, and then if you go up a little bit to where it says character jump power, you just change that to whatever number you want. So 50 is the default, so if you just want to change it to 100, then you'll go double the height. And there's also like more options in here, so you can change the camera if you want to, but that's for a different video. So if this video helped you and you want to see more, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell to be notified when that video comes out. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.